Most migrant workers in the USA don't lose money because they're lazy or careless. They lose money because of 5 mistakes they didn't even know were mistakes. If you work in the United States, this video can protect you. Many migrant workers trust verbal promises like pay later, bonus later, or contract later. But in the USA, words do not protect you. Documents do. Fear is the most powerful tool used against migrant workers. Fear of being fired, fear of immigration, fear of trouble. But asking questions is not illegal, and defending your rights does not cause deportation. Some migrants continue working even when they are injured or when conditions are unsafe. This is dangerous, and under U.S. safety laws, it is illegal. You have the right to a safe workplace and medical care. Labor law and immigration law are two different systems. Your immigration status does not erase your labor rights. The law protects workers, not passports. The biggest mistake migrant workers make is staying silent. Silence is what allows abuse and violations to continue. Speaking up is not weakness, it is protection. The system in the USA can work against you, or it can work for you. The difference is knowledge. This channel exists to give migrant workers that knowledge. Subscribe. The next videos will show you exactly what to do.